Ladies and gentlemen, families and friends, Fatinio Tausala Siva Academy is fortunate enough to have 3 lovely taupos for this evening. Up first, hails from the beautiful villages of Pango Pango and Fangasa. She is the proud daughter of Julie and Jeff Neru. Please give it up for Miss Mel Satawa. She is the proud daughter of Julie and Jeff Neru. Mel Satawa. Alofa mai matua mele watatala ina lana Taualuga ile 5 sa lautala paftai 5 po wai. Mele's parents opened up her Siva with $500. Paftai lava 5 po wai. Our next topo hails from the beautiful villages of Asili, Leone, and Lotofanga Safata. She is the proud daughter of Linda and Loto Noah. Please help me welcome Princess Noah. Walofa mai matua Princess watatala ina na Siva ile 5 sa lautala. Yo, maalie, paftai labat po wai, paftai lotu alofa. Ladies and gentlemen, families and friends, our last topo for this evening hails from the beautiful villages of Nu'uli and Pango Pango. She is the proud daughter of Trisha and James Vaisa'u. Please give it up for Miss Aubrey Vaisa'u. Walofa mai foi matua Aubrey watatala ina lana Siva ile 5 sa lautala.